Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. I'm very happy to have you back here today. Okay, in today's video I will be showing you how I made the 36,000 naira, that is equivalent of $70 and this is the part 2. So in my previous video I did how I withdrew the money from the trading platform, from the company that I invested into. Okay, so and today I will be showing you the proof of withdrawal from the platform. So I'll be showing you the proof of withdrawal from the platform, so that if you are interested in it, you too can join the train and earn something for yourself on daily basis, because this channel is created to share with you how I make money online. Is all about financial education. All right, so that is what I'll be sharing with you today. And quickly, before I do that, this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and in LASOJENIC BIZZTALK I give you financial education. So I am bringing down to your doorstep financial education. And if you have any question concerning this video, you can contact me through my phone number here, or my WhatsApp contacts, through my email. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping frequent announcements on how you can be financially free. And don't forget to subscribe. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel now, and also click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I have another financial educational video for you like this. All right, so as I said earlier, what we are considering today is my proof of withdrawal on how I made 36,000 naira, that is the equivalent of $70. That is why I put it there as part 2. All right, so you can watch the first video, the part 1 of it. You can watch the part 1 of it here on the channel. So this is the part 1, how I made 36,000 naira. You can watch the part 1 here. So this is the part 2. Now let's go to the platform. So this is TRADEUNOS platform. This is one of my accounts, and as you can see, all my earnings here. This is my capital, my earnings, my total, referral, withdrawal, balance. So now let me take you to the proof. Let me take you to my withdrawals. Okay, withdrawal log. All right, so you can see $72, and this is my Bitcoin address. Okay, and the withdrawal request was initiated on the 28th of August 2021 around 12:36 p.m. and admin reasoned date 1724. So that is like within 5 hours it was approved. Within 5 hours. Within 5 hours. So now let me take you to my exchange site, to my wallet address to show you. So this is my balance, my Binance account, and as you can see here, a deposit on the 28th of August 2021 around 1836. So let's check the time here also. So it was approved 1724, that is some minutes after the hours of 17. So due to the blockchain network, I got credited around 1839 hours of the 20th of August year 2021, and you can see the amount. This is equivalent to $70, but the transaction fee was deducted. The transaction charge of 8% of whatever I'm withdrawing will be deducted. So this is what I have. So when I calculated it, it was around $66 yesterday. It was around $66. So you can see it is completed. So this is my proof of withdrawal. My proof of withdrawal from TRADEUNOS. So, and this is one of the ways whereby I make money for myself on daily basis. One of the ways whereby I make money for myself on daily basis. And also I can still make another withdrawal, as I have 54 in my trade wallet. Let me check that one out. Request a withdrawal. So I can still make another withdrawal. As you can see, this is affiliate wallet. This is my trade wallet here. So you can see I can still make withdrawal of $54. It's very possible. I can still make it here. Withdrawal of $54 is very possible, because today is weekend. So it is very possible for me to withdraw now. But I'm not interested in withdrawing now, because I just withdrew one a day ago. Alright, so I'm just trying to show you how genuine this platform is. Although you too, you can do your own personal findings, and if you are convinced enough to join this platform, then just check the description box of this video. I'll be dropping the link to get registered and also earn on daily basis. There are several plans. We have gold plan, we have cryptocurrency plan, we have forex plan, and we have crude oil plan. So this is the crude oil plan. So, and we also have the omega plan. So it depending on your financial strength. So let me show you the omega plan here. Investment, purchase a package. So this is omega plan. The investment starts from $25 and the maximum is $500,000. So, and the duration is 365 days. And daily you earn between 0.8 to 1% daily. And you also have your referral income: level 1 5 to 10%, level 2 2%, and the binary cap is 9%, and cap limit is 1k to 10k US dollars. So as you can see, is what you can also give a try, and you are going to earn at the end of the day. So this is what I personally have been making. This is how I have been making money online for myself. Okay, so these are the plans. The trading plans. So forex, gold, crude oil, and cryptocurrency. So you can also check out any of them. And if you have any question concerning this video, you can contact me. Through my WhatsApp number here, or you can call me on phone, or you can drop your message as an email. So thank you so much once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and I am giving you financial education. I bring to your doorstep financial education at its peak. Okay, so what we've considered today is how I made my 36,000 Naira. That is the equivalent of $70 US, and I think I have been able to prove to you that it is what I really got. So let me even show you the email that I received from Trade Wallet, from the the receipt of the withdrawal. So you can see withdrawal of $72 successful. So you can see, you can check. So that is how I get this done. Alright, thank you once again. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly just do that now and click on the notification bell. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.